welcome to this new tutorial in our channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to actually configure your Freedom VPN to the very best settings. So before we start, for those who don't know what Your Freedom VPN is actually, you can head on to your browser and search for your/freedom.net. So once you get there, you can read on the first page and you actually get an idea on what Your Freedom VPN. So this Freedom VPN has a purpose of providing us what we call free internet for our network, just with a single account we're going to purchase from them and the best optimal settings. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to configure the settings to the optimal purpose. That's the purpose in this tutorial. So before we head on to your Freedom VPN, and we have this. So in your first page, when you come on to this app for your first time, you just have to click on configure, and what you should do the first is enter into general and then switch on the expert mode. Here you can see it. So once that is switched, you'll be able to access all what you see on my dashboard here. So the first thing you should do, the next you should do, you come on to the account information and fill in your Freedom account. So this is the account that actually gives you access into their services. So if you need an account, you can always hit me up with my Telegram contact given in the description, and I'll purchase you an account. So you come back, and the most important part, come on to connection, and you have this. Actually I've already set, so let me clear on my data. Okay, so you come on here. What you have is this server. This is your Freedom server, and this server, where you see this 33, it is the number of the server. So we have the numbers from 1 to 33. So you can choose actually any server from those figures. If you want to use your Freedom server 6, the 6th server, you just cancel and then you put in 06 as this. So if you want to put in the 1, the first server, which is the US, you choose it here, 1. If you want the second, which is the second server, you choose it. So I'll always advise not to take the first. At times you can take the second server, and the seat, which is Netherlands. Those are very fast servers, and equally 33 and 28. Those are very fast servers I can advise to you. So we take on the 6th server, and where you see this .your/freedom.de, and then you see the semicolon here. This semicolon actually separates the server from the DNS based. So this is the mode I use. I use the DNS based mode. That's why you can see the connection mode is DNS. If you want the DNS of your network, I will show you an app you can actually do it. So the app is called PingNet. Where is it? So from here you can find your DNS from the network info, which is here. Just click on that and you have your network info, including the DNS. So yeah. Okay, so you want the app, you can actually get it from Play Store just by searching for Ping and Net, and you will get the app. The app doesn't only give the DNS, so it gives several other opportunities such as the reverse DNS, the traceable, the HTTP headers, the SSL scan, port range, voice, network info, geolookup, and so much more. So we come on back to the app, to Your Freedom, and here for the tweak, this is where the thing is. In the tweak you can select if you earn from any of these countries, you can just choose from any of them. So you can select from any of these servers. As you can see here, these tweaks. You can select if you are from Nigeria, you select here. You can have Nigeria Etisalat, Nigeria Cabranet, Nigeria Airtel, Nigeria Glo, Nigeria MTN, and so much more. So we have the connection tweak, we've done that, and the connection mode I always take DNS, because DNS is the fastest mode I can ever advise you to take. Nevertheless, you have HTTP and you have several other modes here, but DNS is the best. And to get your DNS, I've shown you the app you can use, Ping and Net. You just go into your network info, tap the network info tab, and click on that. So it's going to show you your DNS, which you copy and come and paste it in here in the server, which you can see your/freedom.de, and then semicolon. You put the DNS, because the DNS always have 4 sections. You have the first after a dot to the fourth, and then a dot. So if you want to put several DNS at a time, you can put, when you put the first DNS, you separate by a comma, as you can see here. Before I put 41.78.204.43. Okay, so we have that, and now we come on to the DNS for tunnel connection. When you choose this only when you use the DNS mode, but if you don't use DNS mode, you can always leave that empty. And if you use the DNS mode, you always choose manually, and then you insert your DNS in here. And then as for the DNS for application, I will advise you to choose the Your Freedom script, which is here, instead of setting it manually. And make sure you turn off all what you see down here. Avoid using DNS, you turn it off, because that's actually the mode you're going to be using in this tutorial. So I'm showing the best settings, and the best settings is actually the DNS settings. So you disable the enable description and all the other ones now. In this tab, you don't enter anything, same as for here. Okay, you go back, and these are actually the settings. These are them. So first, the summary of that, you come onto the server, you put in your server, separate by a semicolon, and then you put your DNS. Come on to the tweak, you choose any tweak of yours. But if you are to use the DNS mode, you choose the known option, which is here also, as I've done. And for the connection mode, you select your connection mode, DNS. And for the DNS for tunnel connection, you set in the manual DNS first. If you're gonna use to tunnel the internet connection or your applications in your phone. And the DNS for applications, you leave it to your freedom suggested. So we have the following options. We start by 1, you start by the server. 2, you put in your DNS, separating with the semicolon. 3, you go into the tweaks and select the known option. 4, for the connection mode, you select the DNS connection mode. And then 5, you have the port, which I forgot to talk of. You have the port, you setting the port to 53 as you see here. And for the DNS for tunnel connection, you set a manual. IP address, you put in the DNS you got from that application, Ping and Net in there. And now you go back. Once you fill in your account, so just go back, and you see at times you take it to your home screen. You just need to enter back into the application and click on start connection. As you can see, this is a free account I'm actually using. If you want to check if your account, your freedom can pass actually in your country, you just create an account, a free account, and you test it first in your application. And that's what I'll advise to all of you guys. You test it first the application. If it connects, means it is available for your network. And if you want to upgrade, that's when you can contact me on Telegram, the link given in the description. So this is how you actually configure the Your Freedom VPN. And nevertheless, I'm going to extract this configuration and put in the link in the video description, so read the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share for more to your loved ones, to your friends, all. So we'll see you in the next tutorial.